Hello everyone. Today we'll explore how our modern finance app, BudgetBuddy, benefits from the evolution of software development, from the old Waterfall model to the adaptability of Agile. First, imagine managing a finance app project where requirements change every single week. One user wants crypto tracking, another wants an automated expense category, and new tax rules appear out of nowhere. Traditional development models struggle with this level of change, and that's exactly where our story begins. The waterfall model was the dominant approach for years. It had followed a strict sequence: requirements, design, development, testing, and deployment. You had to finish one stage completely before moving to the next one. Sounds organized, right? The problem was real users don't wait. Their needs evolve constantly. Waterfall had major limitations. Everything had to be defined at the beginning, which is nearly impossible in a finance app. If errors were found late, the cost to fix them skyrocketed. And worst of all, customer feedback arrived only at the end, often months too late. By then, the product no longer aligned with user expectations. So, the industry shift. Developers needed a method that embraced uncertainty instead of fighting it. And that's how Agile emerged, as a response to real-world frustration with rigid, slow-moving systems. Agile introduced four core values from the Agile Manifesto: focus on people and communication instead of bureaucracy, deliver working software frequently rather than getting lost in endless documentation, collaborate actively with customers instead of sticking to fixed contracts, and most importantly, respond to change because in software, change is inevitable. These values transform how teams build products. Now, let's apply this to BudgetBuddy. With Agile, we'll release small, meaningful updates every 2 weeks. Users test them, share feedback, and we adapt immediately. If users request new financial tools, we adjust the backlog. If analytics need improvement, we tackle that in the next sprint. Agile keeps BudgetBuddy aligned with real human behavior, not outdated assumptions. The sprint feedback loop is at the heart of Agile: build, test, learn, and improve. This continuous cycle ensures every update reflects user priorities. That means the dashboard becomes clearer, expense tracking becomes smarter, and new financial categories appear instantly when the community asks for them. In summary, Agile replaces rigid, rigidity with adaptability. Waterfall was built for a world that changed slowly, but apps like BudgetBuddy live in a world that changes daily. Agile empowers teams to deliver faster, listen better, and evolve continuously. And that's why Agile remains essential today.